Welcome back, everybody. Donovan Todd here, your local real estate agent in Orlando with Century 21, and today I have this beautiful home in Winter Park. If you don't know anything about Winter Park, it is the hottest market for real estate in all Central Florida, and this house delivers. We have this nice spacious living room that leads into the formal dining room. There's some nice tasteful upgrades with the laminate floors. It has a lot of natural light, which I really like. And leading into the kitchen here, it has some nice updated stainless appliances, granite countertops, and a nice stone backsplash. It rounds it out and makes it really nice. Leading off the kitchen here, we head towards these sliders into the sunroom of the house, and you can enjoy our beautiful Florida winters. And it was 83 degrees and it's the middle of February. I feel like you'd be spending a lot of time out here. And off the sunroom, we have this path to this huge backyard where you can pretty much do whatever you want back here. Put a swimming pool, swing set, whatever you want with your family. You can have a lot of memories back here. Back into the house, we are coming from the kitchen area. This is one of two bathrooms. It is a full bathroom, and it is a nice size for that. Over here across the hall, we have one of three bedrooms, and into the second bedroom that has been converted into a kids play area and a home office. All three bedrooms are pretty good size, especially what we're about to see, and that's the master suite. And this thing absolutely has the size for more furniture than it already has. As you can see, this is a king size bed and there's plenty of room on each side. All right, last but not least, we have the master bath and closet. This thing is really nice. We have a good sized tub, dual vanity sinks. And my favorite part of this whole master suite is this closet. Look at this thing. It's a whole nother bedroom, and there's that beautiful skylight in the top, gives it natural light. How can you not like that? Yes, that is a skylight in a master closet. Check that thing out. All right, guys, if you like this home and if you're looking to move down to the Orlando area, again, my name is Donovan Todd, and I'm a real estate agent here in Central Florida. I would love to help you out find your dream home. If you're moving out of state or just moving down the street, selling that home, we can do it all. We'll find it and we'd love to do it. Thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch the video. Have a good one.